Are you wanting to learn Korean but don't know where to get started? Stick around and I'll show you where to begin.
Holy gochujang!
Did you know that the Korean language has its own alphabet? It's called Hangul. Why should I start there, you ask? Well, if you really want to learn Korean, first you need to be able to read Korean. First, all Korean learning materials teach you Hangul before anything else. Second, trying to read English romanization is hard as crap. Third, English romanization will slow you down. Fourth, English romanization is stupid and Hangul is cool as f***. So, learn Hangul. It will help you with pronunciation and soon, you'll be reading and speaking like King Sejong himself. He's the guy that created Hangul. There are 24 letters in the Korean alphabet, 14 consonants, 10 vowels. You got that right, less letters than English. There are also 27 complex letters, which are 2 basic letters getting combined together. But let's keep this simple and just stick to the basic letters. Are you ready to learn the Korean alphabet? Wait, when actually reciting the Korean alphabet, you gotta put ah behind every consonant. That's how the Koreans do it. Now, are you ready to learn the Korean alphabet? Let's go! Let's start with consonants. Ka, na, da, ra, ma, pa, sa, a, ja, cha. Ka, ta, pa, ha. Now let's do the vowels. A, ya, o, ya, o, yo, u, yu, e. All together. Ka, na, da, ra, ma, pa, sa, a, ja, ta, ka, ta, pa, ha. Aya, oya, oya, uyu, uyi. Work on the Korean alphabet first, and then you'll be on your way to mastering the Korean language. White team!